Hey guys, it's Jill. I wanted to do a little unboxing of these Kirki embroidery kits, and they're so cute, and I just wanted you guys to see what they were all about. So here's the front of the box, and here's the back. It shows you which one you're going to do. And these little kits come with everything included. So you get the stuffing. You get the little instructions on how to do all your little, it goes into length, like threading your needle and the stitches. You get your little doll. Here's the doll. To the front and the back. Sorry for my runny nose. And the floss. And then you get a little image of what the fox is going to look like. And then all the other little dolls they have to make. So, anyway, this is the DIY embroidered doll kit. They come in different levels. This one's a level 2, but honestly, I think anyone really that shops at my store could do these. The stitches aren't very hard, and there's tons of YouTube videos to do for stitches. You'll also need a 6-inch hoop and scissors. So we have 6-inch hoops in the shop. Anyway, I think these are really fun. Have a great one. Bye.